Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir.
I think we have completed the field design and the yoke design also. All you have completed up to yoke design.
Sir, I have done up to field design, not the yoke part.
Quickly you complete the yoke design. I will ask all one by one. So you quickly complete up to the yoke design. Quickly complete up to yoke design. I will ask you. So the flux in the yoke is the flux per pole divided by 2, and thereby you can, that is flux divided by the assumed flux density, which you can take 1.5 Weber per meter square. Once you have determined the area of the yoke, by dividing that by the main iron length, you can have the depth of the yoke, dy, small dy. So this is how the dimensions of the yoke can be calculated. So quickly complete this, and also the field winding design.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have got the area of the yoke is 0.021 meters, sir, and the current of the field current is 3.01, 3.09 amperes.
Now I'm not asking the field current. The area of the yoke you calculate.
Yes, area of the yoke
Because
is
the
zero.
field current, the field, no, that you have to find out the depth. That is more important one. Area of the yoke you can find out by dividing the flux density only.
Yes, sir, I have got the area of the yoke. Mm, means that,
Okay.
okay. Um,
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm getting dy as 39.25 millimeter.
What rating of your motor?
Sir, 440 volts.
I am asking kilowatt. You are saying volts.
Oh, sorry,
Can you
sorry.
hear me properly?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. 220 kilowatts.
Okay. Okay, it's okay. You can proceed with that. Again, you have to
Okay, sir,
find
my
out the outer diameter of the. That is the depth of the yoke. Then you have to find out the outer diameter of the yoke.
So my depth is coming out to be 32.6 millimeter. My machine is 110 kilowatt.
I am not getting. बोले अरेकबार बोलो
32.6 মিলিমিটার আর আমার মেশিন হচ্ছে স্যার 110 কিলোওয়াট।
পারে
আচ্ছা স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
স্যার আমার 51 মিলিমিটার আছে আর আমার মেশিন 200 কিলোওয়াট।
you find out the outer diameter of the yoke dy. How can we find out that? So this is the then you have the length of the air gap Lg, then you have the pole height HP, and then you have the depth of the yoke. So all these things will be added twice with d, then only you can have the dy, isn't it? So starting from Lg, then pole height, and then the depth of the yoke. So these are the things you have to add, and then you have to multiply by 2 because both the sides you have to take. That with the main dimension d, then you get the outer diameter of the yoke.
Sir, here dy is outer diameter of the yoke, right?
Yes,
Yes,
dy,
capital D.
capital dy is the outer dia of the yoke,
Okay, sir.
overall dia. So the thing that you can see from outside, because rest of the thing will be hidden. The yoke.
Sir, my 60 kilowatt machine and my depth is coming as 66.26 millimeters.
56.
66.
Little bit high.
Sir, I have a 30 kilowatt machine and my depth is coming as 24 millimeter.
4 millimeter is quite less. You
Sir,
check your
24
calculation. 24 is okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
rating, sir, the rating of my machine was 110 kilowatt and I'm getting depth as 37.9 mm.
No, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
স্যার 5 কিলোওয়াট মেশিনের জন্য ডিওয়াইটা 11.395 মিলিমিটার, এটা ঠিক আছে?
Hmm.
স্যার আমার 120 কিলোওয়াট মেশিন স্যার ডিভাই আসছে 51.34 মিলিমিটার।
কত কিলোওয়াট?
স্যার 120 কিলোওয়াট।
ভোল্টেজ?
স্যার ভোল্টেজ 250 ভোল্ট।
Okay, maybe. You just check once again your calculation. If it is okay, then you can proceed with that.
ওকে স্যার।
Then sir, what should I do? You told me that my depth is quite large.
Yes, your machine is less than 60 kilowatt, isn't it?
I mean, 60 kilowatts. I mean, purely 60 kilowatts.
60 kilowatt. And then the flux per pole that you are getting, that have you divided it by 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then what is the flux density you have taken?
1.5.
Okay, so you cross check once again your calculation.
Okay, sir.
Sir, my machine's rating.
What is the volt? Okay, bolo.
Sir, my machine's rating is 25 kilowatt and the depth of yoke is 37.5 millimeter and the outer diameter is 458 millimeter.
Now, what is the voltage rating?
110 volts.
110 volts. Okay. Maybe. If your
My vo-
calculation is okay, then you can.
So my voltage
Sir-
rating is 220.
ওকে, আরেকবার ক্যালকুলেশনটা চেক করো, যদি ঠিক থাকে তাহলে ঠিক আছে।
Okay, sir.
Sir, for a 3 kilowatt machine, sir, my outer diameter of yoke is coming as 420 millimeter.
What is the kilowatt?
So 30 kilowatt.
Okay, so what is the main dimension? What is the main D diameter?
So 325.
325. Oh, okay, maybe right.
Sir, for 5 kilowatt machine, the outer diameter is coming out as 258.93 millimeter. So is it okay, sir?
5?
Sir, for 5 kilowatt machine, the outer diameter is coming as 258.93 millimeter.
258.
Yes, sir.
Is bit high. Just a minute. So 5 kilowatt machine is quite small. 8 means 25. 26 centimeters. Okay.
Sir, so then I can proceed with
Right.
this.
If your calculation is correct, take the
Okay.
calculation.
Okay, sir. Sir, if the calculation is alright, then I can proceed with
Next
that.
thing,
Sir. Yes, sir.
the next thing that you have to calculate is the commutator. So design of the commutator now we have to do.
Sir, for 220 kilowatt machine, I'm getting outer diameter as 617.9 millimeter.
Okay. What is the diameter you have got?
Yes, sir. 617.9. Sir, outer diameter of yoke.
No, the main dimension, main diameter I'm asking.
Sir, 373.
373.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for 200 kilowatt machine, I've got outer diameter as 114 millimeter. And in the main diameter was 51 millimeter.
কি বলছো? কত কিলোওয়াট?
200 kilowatts.
200 kilowatt, the main dimension is
51 millimeters, sir.
for 200 kilowatt machine, the minimum this thing will be 350 or 370 mm, the main diameter, and the outer diameter of the yoke around, it will be around 650 or 700 mm.
Okay, sir.
So for 160 kilowatt machine, my outer diameter of yoke is 640.94 millimeter.
Okay, I think. Okay.
For a 65 kilowatt machine, my outer diameter is 570 millimeter.
Okay.
So for 110 kilowatt machine, my outer diameter is coming out to be 919.89 millimeter. Not sure.
Huh?
বলছি আমার স্যার ওই হ্যাঁ আমার 110 কিলোওয়াট মেশিনের আউটার ডায়ামিটার বের হচ্ছে স্যার 919 মিলিমিটার।
অনেক বেশি বেরোচ্ছে।
Sir, for 110 kilowatt, the diameter, outer diameter is coming as 929.046 mm.
929 mm.
Yes, sir.
No, it's, what is your main dimension, main diameter?
Main diameter 343.
343. So how you are getting this much? Almost 3 times of that?
Sir, air gap.
What is the depth of yoke?
37.
Yeah, air gap length তো 1 millimeter হয়। Air gap কত হবে? Air gap maximum 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 1 millimeter.
Yes, sir. Sir, depth was coming
Then,
as 37 point.
37 point something. So what? And what is the pole height?
HPC is 250, no? Sir, around 250, sir.
Pole height 250 হয় কখনো?
Sir, for 30 kilowatt machine, I am getting outer diameter 368 mm.
Okay.
For 40 kilowatt machine, I am getting the outer diameter as 469 millimeter.
The higher side. You're getting a higher side. Check your calculation. The pole height, I think you have obtained little large.
It is 60 millimeters, sir, I am getting.
Pole height.
Yes, sir. And
পোল
the
হাইটটা 250 কি করে হলো 110 কিলোওয়াট মেশিন, এটা আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। হান্ড্রেড টেন কিলোওয়াট মেশিনের পোল হাইট কি করে 250 হয়? Those who have around 200 to 220 kilowatt machine, they might have the pole height of around 100 or 110 Check the calculation thoroughly. Okay, rest of the students, you just proceed with the design of commutator. Okay, so the commutator diameter, first you have to take that, you can take 80% of the armature diameter or 70% of the armature diameter.
Sir,
Okay, 70 to 80% you can take the commutator dia. Bolo.
sir, for 14 kilowatt machine, I'm getting outer diameter as 305.18 meter.
14 kilowatt.
I mean 20, yes, 20 HP.
Okay, maybe. So diameter of the commutator, you take 70 to 80%. Of the D. Okay, so this you calculate first. Okay, so then you find out the commutator pitch, beta C. Okay, so that you can calculate by pi into DC divided by number of coils or commutator segments. So have you calculated how many coils are there in the machine? So this is how the commutator pitch can be calculated.
Sir, can you please repeat what is beta C and what is C?
C is the number of coil or number of commutator pitch, and beta C is the commutator pitch. Beta C is the commutator pitch. This is one commutator segment. This is another commutator segment. So this is how the commutator segment you have. So this is one commutator segment. This is how you have the commutator segments. Okay, and between these two, so this is called the beta C. In the experiment of study of AC/DC machine, in second year, you have found out this commutator pitch. Okay. So quickly find out these values. So once this is complete, then you calculate the armature current, actual armature current, and that is the current that you have calculated earlier divided minus the field current. Okay, so if you have the armature current, then the brush current you have to calculate. The brush current is generally the armature current into 2 divided by number of pole. So the brush current you have to calculate like this. How much current will flow through the brush? So the brush is like this. So armature current, total armature current. Total armature current and you have to subtract the field current from. If you have shunt or separately accepted shunt machine, you have to subtract the field current. So once you have calculated the brush current, then area of the brush. Can you tell me how we can find out the area of the brush? Once we have the brush current. Any idea?
Rho L by A, sir. We can find out the resistance. Then.
No. We don't need resistance. Correct. So everywhere we are finding out like that only. So in case of the electrical thing, that is the current. If you have the current, then you have to find out by the current density. The simplest method. And in case of magnetic circuits, if you have the flux, you have to divide by the flux density. যখন কোনো ইলেকট্রিক্যাল কন্ডাক্টরের জিনিস বার করছি প্যারামিটার ডাইমেনশন বার করছি, we need the current density. We have to assume the current density. Okay, and here the current density will be by the electrographite.
So my beta is coming at 6.7.
Okay, beta C must be more than 4 mm.
Okay.
Or for small machine can be less than 4 mm as well. area of the brush, you can calculate the electrographite current density. You can take 10 ampere per square mm.
Sir, for 30 kilowatt machine, sir, my beta C is coming out as 5.44 mm. And sir, for 30 kilowatt machine, sir, my area of brush is coming out as 2.6 millimeters square. Sir, my area of brush is coming out as 2.6 millimeters square.
Okay, so I think this is not 10, this is 100. You just check with your book.
Okay, sir.
Ten ampere per square mm, square cm, centimeter square. And into 10 to what? Pura -3 over. Just a minute, 1 minute.
You said 10 ampere per centimeter square.
That you can take. So better you take 10 ampere per centimeter square. That I told later.
Sir, do we have to
Okay.
subtract?
You have to subtract the field current. Yes, you have to subtract the field current. If you don't subtract that also, then also it is okay. Because if you take a quite larger brush, it doesn't matter.
Okay, okay, sir.
In that case, the current will be little bit higher, and your brush area will be little bit higher for the same current.
Okay, sir.
So that means you are giving more tolerance. That is the thing. Now you have to find out the once you have the area of the brush is, then what is the thing you have to calculate now? The thickness of the brush. Thickness means, suppose a brush is a three-dimensional, you can say a cuboid, isn't it? Like this. So you have the area is like this. Okay. Now your commutator segment will be like this, which it will touch. So we generally take 2 to 2.5 commutator segment will be in contact with the contact with each brush, like this. Okay. Got my point? So what will be the thickness of the brush then? If we have 2.5 to 3 commutator segments under each brush, What we need here, can you tell me? You want to calculate the thickness of the brush. What we need here? বুঝতে পারছো আমি কি বলছি?
Commutative pitch.
Commutative pitch. So, what will be the formula for this TB? As I have mentioned, it is 2.5 into the commutative pitch, and at a time it will touch 2.5 commutator segments. Okay, so therefore the formula we can write like this: 2.5 into beta c. So this is how the thickness of the brush you can calculate. বুঝতে পেরেছো? So this is your TB. Thickness of the brush. Now width of the brush you have to calculate. Width means this.
Sir, for 30
Sir, for
Yeah.
110 kilowatts, the thickness of brush is coming as 13.19 mm.
No, that depends on the current rating.
Yes.
So thickness can vary depending on the current rating. What is the value you are getting?
13.19 mm.
Thickness of the brush. What is the kilowatt?
Yes, 110 kilowatt.
It can come like that.
Sir, for 220 kilowatt machine, I am getting 12.2 millimeter.
No, it's quite less. What is the kilowatt? 220.
Yes, sir.
No, it's quite less. It can be more than 25 mm. What is the commutator pitch you are getting?
Sir, 4.88.
No, it's quite less. Why? How many coils you have?
Sir, 192.
192 coils.
Yes, sir.
Why? এতগুলো কয়েল কেন? জানি না, হতে পারে হয়তো। তুমি দেখো, একবার চেক করে দেখো। If it is 192, then it is you can have the beta C around 5.
Sir,
Yes,
actually,
you can have around 13.
Yes, sir. Actually, initially I was having C min as 168. So after that, I got the total number of coil sites as 336. From there, when I divided it by the number of slots, then I assumed it to be 384 number of coil sites, and from there I got 192. So the value increased a lot.
Okay, in that case, it can be like that. And then you will get the TB around 13 mm, 13 or 14 maybe.
Okay,
sir, for 30 kilowatt machine, I am getting thickness of 13.6 millimeter.
You can get like that. Everything depends on the commutator pitch, and commutator pitch depends on the number of coils. If your coil is quite high, large, number of coil is quite large, then you will get a TB less. So that is the thing. But anyway, if you are getting TB less, then the WB will be more. Your aspect ratio of the brush will change, because you have to satisfy the area of the brush. That you cannot change, na? That you are getting from the eye brush rating, current rating. তোমার যদি টিভিটা কম হয়ে যায়, তাহলে because WB is basically the area of the brush divided by T.
Sir, for 110 kilowatt machine, I'm getting PV as 18.96.
Can be.
Sir, for 30
You
kilowatt
can have
machine, I
like
am
that.
getting thickness of brush 10.8 mm.
Whatever.
Sir, for 160 kilowatt machine, my PV is 17.675.
Okay.
Sir, for 50
Then
kilowatt. Hello.
bolo.
Sir, for 50 kilowatt, I am getting a thickness of brush as 11.95 mm.
Okay. Then the
Sir,
total length of the
Sir,
commutator
for
you have to
20
calculate.
HP machine, thickness of brush 16.95 mm.
Okay, bole. 16, na?
Yes, sir, 16.95 millimeter.
Sir, my
Okay.
machine reading is sir. Sir, my machine rating is
bolo,
quite
sir.
less. It's 5 kilowatt. But sir, when I was calculating the number of coils, my maximum number of coils was coming very less. It was around 13 or 14. So you told me to take at least 20. So I proceeded with that. So my commutator pitch is coming quite high, sir, around 10. So can I go with it?
What is the number of coil?
Sir, it's 20 around 20.
Number of coil is only 20.
Yes, sir. Sir, my minimum number of coils was coming out as something like 13 or 14. So you told me that I need to take at least 20. So
Number of coils I told like that. Okay, if I told, then you can proceed with that. So once you have calculated the WB, calculate the length. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
the axial length of the commutator, that is LC.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the LC you can calculate with the width of the brush plus some clearance. So the clearance is 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter both sides, plus another 20 mm you can take. Okay.
Sir, after WB, what we have to calculate?
Huh?
Sir, I have done with
Follow কি বলছো?
sir, I have done with the thickness of brush and width of the brush. After that?
No, yes, the WB, then you have to take the clearance from both sides and something for riser. So I think you have no riser. You have one is riser. So this riser you have to take, that you can take around 15 to 20 mm, depending on the machine. You just consult the book. So in this way you can calculate the LC. I have shown in the figure. মানে এখানে 10 mm দিচ্ছি, এখানে 10 mm, এখানে 20 mm. Okay, and overall the length of the commutator you have to calculate, including the riser.
Sir, when we are taking the armature current IS, we have to take it, okay, sir, I got it. Okay, sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for 30 kilowatt machine, sir, my length of commutator is coming as 59.1 mm.
Okay, it can be
Sir, for 110 kilowatt, it is coming as 211.43.
One
211.43 mm.
111 টা এটা বেশি হয়ে গেছে। Length of the commutator মানে 100 বা তার নিচে থাকলে ভালো হয়। Okay, so those who are having a large number of coil, so they can have a little larger, little longer this thing commutator. যাদের নাম্বার অফ কয়েল বেশি এসছে তাদের কম্যুটেটরটা লং হতে পারে, মানে এলসিটা বেশি হতে পারে, বাট those who are having less number of coil, they should have less LC.
Sir, for my machine, the coil was 164, and I think according to that only I'm getting a larger value of LC, 211.43 mm.
What is the LC value you are getting?
211.43 mm.
No, it is quite large. No, you have to manage by a different way. We can't allow like this. It is almost, you see, what is the percentage of this length with the overall length? We have to use the we can't allow like this. Okay, so you take a larger overlapping area of, that means you TB you take 3 times of BC, then অনেক বড় 211 টা অনেক বড় হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তুই ওভারঅল লেংথ এর অনেকটা পার্সেন্টেজ হয়ে যায়, দেখে নাও।
Yes, sir.
ওভারঅল লেংথ তোমার কত আসছে? অ্যারাউন্ড 500।
Yes, sir.
What is the value of L, main dimension? That you check.
Sir, for 50 kilowatt, I am getting LC as 140.34 mm. Is it right?
140.
Yes, sir.
That is also large for 50 kilowatt machine. It is quite large. 140 mm.
Sir,
What is
for
the number of
220
coils?
Sir, 120.
না না অনেক বেশি আসছে। তো ব্রাশ এরিয়া ক্যালকুলেশন বা কোথাও একটা গন্ডগোল হচ্ছে তোমাদের, থিকনেস ক্যালকুলেশন, ব্রাশ এরিয়া ক্যালকুলেশন, কোথাও একটা সমস্যা হচ্ছে।
Sir, for 220
The WB you are getting quite high, na? হ্যাঁ বলো কি বলছিলে? 220?
Sir, my
Sir, for
বলুন।
আচ্ছা তোমরা এই জায়গাটা চেক করো, this unit is in centimeter square, and when you are dividing it you will get the centimeter square value. This value you will get in centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for 220
Okay.
kilowatt machine and for 192 number of coils, I'm getting LC as 168.5 millimeter.
LC অনেক বেশি আসছে, you just check with this.
Sir.
Because here the area brush in centimeter square, but the TB that also you have to use in centimeter. Then only WB will be in the centimeter. Then you convert into millimeter. And these are all in millimeters, not in centimeters.
Yes,
remember.
Sir, for
So don't confuse with the units.
No, sir, for 60 kilowatt machine, I am getting LC equal to 125.7.
That is quite high.
Sir, what should be the range, sir? I mean,
না না রেঞ্জের কোনো ব্যাপার নেই
according to main diameter,
তোমার
main length,
তোমার নাম্বার অফ কয়েল কত এসছে
90.
90
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ তো 90 যদি আসে কারেন্ট কত
I mean, armature current. I-brush. I mean, I-brush is one. Armature current is 287. I mean, total. I mean,
287
I mean, it will be by pole, divided by pole. It should be divided by pole. I mean, that would come 71.
Sir, for 30 kilowatt machine, I am getting LC is equal to 48 mm.
For small machines. Your machine is small?
Yes, sir. 30 kilowatt.
Sir, for 20 HP machine, I am getting LC as 52.41 millimeter.
Okay, I think.
Sir,
So around for 220 kilowatt or 200 kilowatt, they can have around 200 mm LC. But otherwise, you have to check the calculation if you are getting quite large LC.
sir, हमार 120 kilowatt machine, sir, हमार LC आती sir 70.84 millimeter.
Okay.
So for 160 kilowatt machine, my LC is 103.46 millimeter.
Okay.
Sir, for 110 kilowatt machine, my LC is coming out to be 120.79 millimeter.
It's okay.
Sir, my
you, sir.
main length is 329. So and my LC is 125. I mean, মানে স্যার কতটা
কত কিলোওয়াট বলো
আমার 60
কত
কিলোওয়াট
কিলোওয়াট
60 কিলোওয়াট স্যার
কয়েল কত এসছে
স্যার ওই যে স্যার 90 যেটা 90
আচ্ছা 90 এসছে কত বললে 120
125 স্যার
ঠিক আছে হতে পারে যদি ক্যালকুলেশন ঠিকঠাকই হতে পারে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই
আচ্ছা
I'm getting,
if your calculation is correct
sir, I'm getting 95 millimeter for 40 kilowatt machine. I'm getting 95 millimeter for 40 kilowatt machine, the length of commutator.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting 60.36 millimeter for 5 kilowatt machine.
Okay. Okay, once you have calculated this, then you have to design interpoles. So interpoles and the losses and efficiency also you have to calculate. Okay. So the losses and efficiency, for calculation of losses and efficiency, you can take the help of the book because we don't have time, and by next week you have to submit the report because session is getting resolved at the laboratories. Okay, so we'll have maximum 2 weeks. So one meal, I'm just allowing for the completing the report and another week for preparation of the viva.
The 21 I guess.
So
the last date of
হ্যাঁ
স্যার 21 এর মধ্যে সাবমিট করলে হবে মানে 21 I mean 1 week করলে আমাদের অ্যাকচুয়ালি 18 of classes okay 20
within 20 you have to submit.
Okay, sir.
Within
20, sir.
20, you have to submit. Yes. And within 26, you have to be appeared. You have to schedule the Viva date. 20 to 26.
Sir,
Bolo?
sir, earlier I was getting a WB higher, so I have made the thickness thrice and then I have calculated accordingly, and now I'm getting the LC value as 97.145 for 110 kilowatt machine.
Okay.
So means, sir, can I
Yes.
do? Okay, okay.
হ্যাঁ ওটা ক্যালকুলেশনে করতে হবে so there will be two losses, one is called the core loss, another is the copper loss. So the copper loss you can calculate by the current I square R. The resistance you have calculated, I think, for this armature winding and field winding, isn't it? You have calculated. Only the thing you have to calculate is the I square R. Okay. So this is how we can calculate the copper loss, and the field loss you can calculate by multiplying the voltage drop and the current. Okay, so the other losses are there, that is called the frictional losses. So frictional losses, there is formula is given in the book. And for iron losses, you have to find out the weight of the iron, how much iron is being used for the machine, total overall iron weight. I don't know where how the things are calculated in the book. You just check it. If you have any problem, you can ask me. বুঝতে পারছো আমি কি বলছি? I square R loss, copper loss calculation is straightforward. The iron loss calculation is little bit different, because iron loss depends on how much volume of iron, how much volume of what is the weight of the iron you are using for the machine. So the weight of the machine, iron in the machine, you can calculate part by part. Suppose for the core, okay, so the dimension of the core is there. From that you have to find out the volume. Okay, and the volume is multiplied by the density of the iron. So then you will get the weight. So once you have the weight, so part weight iron loss is mentioned for that particular steel. So that value you have to multiply. So these values are available in the book. বুঝতে পেরেছো? আমরা তো ডাইমেনশন গুলো বার করেছি প্রত্যেকটা এলিমেন্টের। আয়রন প্রত্যেকটা আয়রন পার্টের, each iron part has its own dimension. By using the dimension, we have to calculate the volume of that particular part. Once you have the volume of that part, then you have to multiply with the density of that particular material. Let us take silicon steel. Okay, so once we have the weight of the that particular part of the machine, then you have to calculate, then you have to multiply by the some value that is called the specific iron loss per weight, how much loss for that particular material, that you have to multiply. So in this way you can calculate the iron loss. Got it?
Yes, sir.
বুঝতে পেরেছো? এইভাবে আয়রন লসটা বার করতে হয়। আর কপার লস তো I square R, the net resistance you have to calculate, and then you have to multiply with I square. Okay, and other losses are generally take as a percentage. Suppose windage and bearing friction loss, we can take 1 to 2% of the total loss. In this way we can calculate the losses. So you consult the book. If you have any problem, you just ask. Okay. So I'm giving you just 1 week to complete the report, and you have to submit the report by 20th.
Sir, and design of interpoles?
And design of interpoles for larger machine you have to do. But that actually for interpol design is very easy. Just the way you have calculated the poles, only the ampere turns you have to calculate it per pole. So in this way you can design the interpol. If you consult the book, then it will be little tough. It is very simple if you have understood the thing where the interpol is used. Okay. So only the thing for the interpol, you have to calculate the armature turns per pole and the number of turns. Okay. So interpole ki hai? Interpole we have calculated one thing that is called the ATA, armature ampere turns. Okay. And generally what we take the interpol AT for the interpol, we take almost 40% higher. Okay, so this is how the interpol ampere turn we can have. Then the number of turns for the interpol, how we can calculate? Any idea? Number of turns কি করে calculate করতে পারি? বলো? Once we have the interpol AT, by dividing that by the armature current, because through interpol, what is the value of the current which flows through the interpol? Interpol through the current flow করে সেটা কি? তোমরা কি শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
Armature.
There's armature current, na?
Yes,
So this
sir,
is
yes.
how, this is the thing you have to find out for interpol. What is the number of turns? Okay, and another thing, that is the area of the conductor. See how the area of the conductor is calculated? By the current density. So the current density you take 3.5. mm square. So এই দুটো জিনিস বার করতে হবে। একটা হচ্ছে নাম্বার অফ টার্নস, ইন্টারপোলে নাম্বার অফ টার্নস কত আছে, আর কারেন্ট এই তোমার ক্রস সেকশন এরিয়াটা কি আছে। Okay, so these are the tools. Another thing is the dimension. Dimension is little bit lesser. মানে ইন্টারপোলটা তো এরকম হবে। So suppose this is the interpol and the pole will be like this. So generally the pole height, if this is your HP, the interpole height is little less than that. Okay, so height of the interpole you take just less than the pole height. Okay, so this is how you have to design that. So you try to design the interpol. If you have faced any difficulty, you just ask me in my email, then I will respond. But those who have rating more than 50 HP, they should go for the interpoles. যাদের 50 HP বেশি রেটিং আছে তারাই ইন্টারপোল ডিজাইন করবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
Sir, I got the outer diameter of yoke as 469 millimeter, and my machine was 40 kilowatts. You said that it is on the higher side, so how can I reduce this value?
Now, what is your main dimension? Main diameter?
Main diameter is
Air cap
289
diameter.
millimeters. 289 millimeters.
289.
Yes, sir.
And you are getting how much?
469.
Overall dia? 469. That means around 200, 180. So 180, 90. Okay, so that means the HP you are getting around 65 or so.
I got 60 millimeters.
Huh?
60 millimeters, sir.
60.
Yes, sir.
Can't you reduce that? Okay, so you just check once. যদি না হয় তাহলে you can proceed with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll end the class here. If you don't have any more question, so by 28th you have to submit the report. You just remember that, and the things you have to furnish there, all the calculation, starting from the calculation of the main dimension, and in between you have to show some diagrams, like I have shown during the classes, and at the end you have to furnish the data sheet, or it is called the design sheet. Okay, so you can say A.K. Shahani, Machine Design book by A.K. Shahani. So the design sheet is basically the briefing of the design. Okay, so there you have the design data. Okay, so that you have to furnish at the end of the design. So these are the things, and the design will be handwritten in A4 sheets, and it will and a single PDF you have to submit after scanning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Okay. Thank you then.
Thank you, sir.
And CR, have you taken the attendance for today?
Yes, sir.
Plus, we have less attendance today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've taken.
সাতজন মতো আসেনি আজকে, absent আছে. Around 7 students are absent today. স্ক্যান করে সিঙ্গেল পিডিএফ করতে বললাম। Okay. So I'm ending the class.